Hey everyone, so today we're going to be painting some vintage candles. So I'm going to work on a sketch that I drew a while ago, and it was about some tree candles with a few butterflies and flowers. So I'm just going to give some fine details, the last bit of details that are needed to be added, and now I'm going to just erase the sketch so we can prepare it for painting. So I want the painting to look in the end really aesthetic and vintage. So I chose an aesthetic color palette so it can look like it. Not gonna lie, the painting part was really fun and I liked how it turned out. It was supposed to be a little messy so I can fix those things while coloring, but I messed up coloring later as well. So yeah, pretty much that was the issue. Anyways, that's it. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine, 'cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on